Today's just going to be a quick update video. I'm maybe not in the most cheerful of spirits because today is March 14th and the news of the coronavirus spreading around the world is really hitting everybody right now, and so I think most of our minds are there. For me, the thing that has always cleared my mind, whether it's stress or anything that I'm dealing with, I just find getting to work and just going outside and focusing my mind on what I got to do always helps clear my head and just kind of help me relax and get back to basics. But with all that being said, obviously it's devastating. So I'm just going to do a quick update here because for the next couple weeks I am mostly just prepping. I'm cleaning these logs and hauling them up the hill. So these logs here are the ones that I felled last summer. There was a moment last summer when I started peeling these logs and I realized it is so much easier to peel the logs that I felled in the summer. While the sap's flowing, the bark just pulls right off, versus in the wintertime you're having to draw knife everything and peel the bark off, which is a lot more labor intensive. But now that I see the result of the summer logs, I'm wishing I didn't bother. And that's the price you pay from learning from your own mistakes. I had been, I knew that you're supposed to fell your trees when the sap's not flowing in the winter, but I wanted to experiment and just compare the options, and I've definitely learned my lesson. So I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration here on the process of cleaning the logs. So this advice was given to me by J.C. Whitecloud. Thank you very much, Jay. I really appreciate all your guidance and support and your years of wisdom that you're sharing with me. He suggested 3 options. One is a brine, which is salt and water. The other is using bleach, and the third is using a product called Bora-Care. So I'm going to go with the salt and water approach. I just need to be able to trust that. I know what it is. And then when I'm done with my water, I can take it far away and dispose of the water in a safe place that I'm not affecting these trees. So the first step is with this kind of moldy growth on the top, it flakes off pretty good with just a dry wire brush. So that comes off super easy, as you can see. And then just to penetrate a little further, I get in there with some salt water, trying to drip as little as possible on the ground. Just work that in really good. And then again, some snow just helps gather all that mud and clean it off. So that's the sad reality of what I got to deal with here. Got to go through all these logs and clean them like that. So keeps my mind busy, keeps me working, and it's got to be done. The salt water seems to really be doing a number on the sap, which helps kind of get me a clear surface. Just rubbing that sap with cold water and a wire brush isn't doing nothing. But as soon as I hit that with the salt water, it just kind of melts that sap and helps clean it all off. So this log used to look like this. After a process of scrubbing with a wire brush and snow, followed by a light layer of salt water, it kind of creates this mucky, basically a mud on the log, and then I dip my wire brush in the snow again and then keep scrubbing it, and all that muck kind of sticks to the snow and falls off. So I'm trying to get this all done before the snow leaves, because the snow has been really resourceful in helping me clean these logs. 12, 13, 14, 15, I think 17 logs I felled in the summer that I've got to do this to. These logs are mostly going to be used for my platform, so they won't be exposed on the inside of the walls, but I am going to be milling them and working with them, and I want to just clean them up the best that I can before I start processing, because obviously mold can be a bit dangerous and harmful. So with that all being said, that's what I'm up to right now, and hopefully we'll get into some exciting building stuff soon. So until then, take care of your families, be calm, relax, be nice to our earth, and be nice to other people. Wish you all the best.